In this video, I will show you how to convert the number of decimal minutes to Excel time like this. So let's get started. In this Excel sheet, I have the number of minutes in this column. Now I want to convert this number of minutes to Excel time. For example, the first value is 15 minutes, so the Excel time should be 12:15 am. Similarly, the fourth value is 300 minutes or 5 hours, so the Excel time should be 5 am. But before we do that, we need to understand how time is handled in Excel. Excel stores time as a fractional value of one day having 24 hours. So 1 hour of time is 1 divided by 24 and 12 hours of time is 12 divided by 24, which is 0.5. There are 60 minutes in each hour, so there are a total of 24 into 60 minutes, which equals 1440 minutes in a day. So 1 minute of time is 1 divided by 1440 and 60 minutes is 60 divided by 1440. To convert decimal minutes to time, we need to divide the number of minutes by 1440, which is the total number of minutes in one day. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now select the cell containing the number of minutes. Type the division operator / followed by the number 1440. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we got numbers instead of time. That is because we still need to format these values as a time. To do that, select all these cells and press the Ctrl and 1 keys on the keyboard to open up the Format Cells dialog box. Now click the Custom option from the left side. Delete everything from the Type Text box and then type HH:MM as the format. This format will output time like the number of hours followed by a colon followed by the number of minutes. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, we now have Excel time converted from the number of minutes. If the number of minutes is greater than the total number of minutes in a day, which is 1440, time rolls over, as we can see from row numbers 4 and 5. For example, fourth row has 1440 minutes, which is equal to 1 day, so the time remains the same as 12 am. Similarly, the fifth row has 1450 minutes, which is equal to 1 day and 10 minutes, so the time becomes 12:10 am. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.